Ford has gone back to their roots with the new 2024 Ford Bronco Heritage Edition. Oh yeah, 1.5-liter EcoBoost underneath the hood. You can see it's robin egg blue. Yes, also white grille, big letters for Bronco in red, 17-inch wheels painted white, just like the days of yore, wrapped in Connie's. We got a roof rack on top, also painted white like the old days. Inside, we do have premium cloth, navy pure plaid. Go over any terrain modes, our center console shifter, wireless charging, our USB connectivity right here. Also 12 volts of power, climate controls, our center stack for all of our apps and everything. Also traditional driver gauges with a digital driver information station and hands-free controls. Plenty of legroom for everybody, including the second row, more of that navy pure blue plaid, also USB hubs, rear air, and some pockets back here, and even some molly webbing. Oh yeah. Liftgate is up. Underneath the hard deck, we do have a spare tire, a roadside assistance kit, and also this decking back here, which we can fold back, and it's multifunction, multi-use, and we're ready for a trailer on the new 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Heritage Edition from Payne Weslaco Ford. And don't forget, we've got your voucher so you can take your Bronco and see what you can do off-road with Ford. Only from Payne Weslaco Ford. I'm Chris Marshall, the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.